So I've got this 2003 Ford C-Max with a 1.8, I think it is, Duratec. It's got a single cylinder misfire. It's not logging a misfire code. It's actually logging an intake runner command code, but we've definitely got a single cylinder misfire here. So just using a very, very crude HT pickup in the form of some tin foil or vapor foil wrapped around the pencil coil with just a normal test lead there, and then on Pico we've got, so we can get this in focus, I'm not even using the HT pickup, I'm just using a standard probe. As you can see there, obviously you've got the just turn this torch off for a moment, bear with me. It's not helping, is it? Yeah, I'm not even using the secondary ignition inverted or positive. I've just used the standard probe, but I have had to go into Tools, Math Channel, and click on Invert A, and then using the right click, because what happens when you do that, you have you'll have two signals on screen. You'll end up with that. So all you do is you right click on the screen and get rid of your channel. You get rid of get rid of channel A, and it leaves you with the one that you're interested in. So that's how we've got that. It's quite a nice steady waveform, and I've managed to, I think, pin down cylinder 2 as the culprit, which I'll just try and demonstrate. This actually, that's running live at the moment. If I just very briefly go back to recent files, cylinder 1, that's the good one, cylinder 2 is the suspicious one. Let that load. Scroll back using okay, that to me looks like a full cylinder misfire under load, so it's wide open throttle, and you can see it's lost the entire burn event. There's no spark event there at all. So just back up a few more frames. So you can see a nice idle waveform there, and then the minute you snap the throttle, bang, and that coincides with the misfire. So just using a very, very basic tin foil pickup, you can get a useful waveform off this car.